Ma, look na eh. Sabi mo, bibidyoan ka. Tawag na video, bahala ka. Ano ba yun?
Ipa-receive na lang namin sa inyo, ma'am. Pero mapera naman kayo, ma'am. May pabayaran nyo naman po. Papa-receive na lang namin. Later na lang po yung payment. Later na lang po yung payment. Charge na, delivery charge na naman po yun, no? Tsaka maganda naman po yung cake, ma'am. Mahal talaga ito, ma'am.
Wow.
So, okay na, ma'am. Kayo na mag-open para makita niya po. Cool.
Sumaya, sana pinapabalo niyo muna to.
Ma'am, step okay lang. Ayan, so, ma'am, step. Ma'am, magpapakilala mo na kami, ma'am, ha? So, by the way, ma'am, we are from My Car Surprise, all the way from Manila, Beijing, Pamador, at Pugaw, at may special someone po sa buhay ninyo ang kamontak sa amin today, ma'am, para ibigay ang kanilang surprise gift. May idea ka na ba, ma'am, kung sino or kanino po galing ang ating surprise ngayon?
Yung mga wad ko po siguro.
Ayan. Sino-sino sila, ma'am?
Sila Mira, sila Janica, sila Ate Kai, sila Alpha, sila Katie, sila Harvey, sila Delsaline, sila Jazz,
Lahat sila, ma'am.
Bakit sila?
Ayan. Ayan. Sama kayo, ma'am. Sa kanila po galing lahat ang ating surprise gift ngayon. At nanonood po sila. Nandiyan ba sila lahat ngayon, ma'am? Nanonood sila ngayon, ma'am. Wala man sila ngayon, ma'am. Pero itong regalong ito, ma'am, ay naghahatid para sa kanilang presents. So, ma'am, please accept your fresh handheld balloon. At meron din po kayong fresh flower bouquet na pinapabigay po nila. Ayan po. So, yan para sa inyo, ma'am. Perfect sa inyong dress na red because red is your favorite color, I think. And then black pink is your color of the day. So, ma'am, aside from that, dahil birthday niyo din po today, so okay lang po ba, ma'am, kung kayo muna ang aming Miss Universe? Of course. Mami, pwede bang ikaw na maglagay ng crown ng ating Miss Universe? Ayan.
Dami naman nilang ano.
Ayan.
Ang ayos ko na lang kasi. Walang iyakan.
Ma'am, meron din po kayong sash. Ayan, syempre, Miss Universe yan.
Dapat mag-makeup. Kasali pala ako dito. Dapat mag-makeup din ako.
Naiyak ka, Mami.
Ano ito?
At meron din po kayong another fresh flower bouquet. Kanina galing, ma'am. Sa kanila din po. Ayan, sa kanila another fresh flower bouquet po. Flower bouquet po para sa inyo, ma'am. Then aside from that, ma'am, meron din po silang regalo po or meron pong nagpapaabot ng regalo sa inyo. So ikaw na po mag-open nito later, ma'am. At hindi lang din po yan, ma'am, dahil birthday niyo today. Meron po silang pinapabigay sa inyo, ma'am, na 4-feet stuffed by teddy bear para sa inyo. Binigay po yan ng inyong mga admins, ma'am. Ayan po. So, syempre, ma'am, dahil birthday niyo po. Ayun, nag-iyak na talaga si ma'am. Sayang makeup ni ma'am Faye. Ayan. So, ma'am, ayan po. Okay lang po ba, ma'am, kung kantahin ka namin ng happy birthday? Kasi may pinapaabot din po silang cake para sa inyo. So, si Lola naman ang maghahawak sa cake. Okay lang ba, Lola? Ayan, si Lola ang maghahawak.
Kaya pala pinag-makeup ka. Ay, pinag-ayos ka.
So, ma'am, may nakalagay po sa iyong cake na happy 20th birthday, Ma'am Baby.
Mother baby.
Mother baby ba to? Mother baby love.
Sa kabilang sa inyo.
Ayan,
Sipon
admin.
ko.
Yan, tissue, ma'am. Baka may tissue pa kaya. Wala. Okay, may tissue kami.
Ito lang.
Nayak din ako.
Ganda naman ito.
Tabi po kayo. Tabi po kayo. Yan.
Sipon mo, baka pumundo. So, ma'am, okay lang po ba kung tantahan po natin yung sabay Herban style lang po. Herban style lang po. Herban, ayan. Ayan. So, Ma'am Faith, before you blow your cake candle, ano po ba ang iyong birthday wish po, ma'am? Birthday wish ka muna, ma'am.
Tulo na tulo! Mama, ano mo lang
So, asip ka naman na may blow. Ano po ba ang birthday wish niyo, ma'am?
Sana po. Ay, no.
Na sana po maging successful pa ako para worth it lahat ng effort ng mga taong naniniwala sa capability ko po. Thank you.
Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Faith. Happy birthday, Ma'am Faith. Mami, ay Lola, ilagay natin sa Lola po.
Happy birthday
ayan.
po.
Lola, ano bang birthday wish niyo po kay Faith?
Marami akong birthday wish sa kanya. Makatapos siya ng pag-aaral, maging successful yung career niya. Ano pa ba ako? Yun lang po. Thank you sa mga sumusuporta sa kanya, mga fan niya, admin, mga friends niya. Thank you po.
Si Mami naman po, Mami. Ayan. Pati kayo, Ma'am Faith po. Pati kayo.
Maganda ka din, baby.
Birthday message.
Successful ang career.
Sa inyong pinakamaganda princess.
Ala, iyakin pa naman ako. Marinig daughter. Ayo. Happy birthday. Baby girl. Pwede ka na mag-boyfriend. Sabi ko, pero ayaw ng daddy mo. Ayun. Enjoy mo na marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Mas marami pang magmamahal sa'yo. Mabuti ka lang tao. Ganun. Bago yun, laging magdasal. Basta mahalin mo yung pamilya mo para mas lalong maraming blessing na dumating sa buhay mo. Yun, dagdagan mo pa yung pagmamahal mo sa aming lahat. Nagkulang pa eh. Kami lang yata nagmamahal. Ay, ganun lang. Ayun, I love you. Si Jane naman po, si Catherine Jane. Ito po, ito po kasi po, talaga mag-utang mag-aagasin na. Oo, Jane. Sige po na.
Ma'am, birthday wish niya po.
Birthday wish. Ito po siya po. Okay lang tayo ngayon.
Message ko, happy birthday, Steph. Sana wala akong more birthdays
Sana bigyan mo ako ng isang boyfriend
Sana
dyan.
maging successful ka sa career na gusto mong gawin kasi
Ayok si Jane.
nakikita namin yung mga struggle mo, yung challenge.
Wow.
Ayok.
Galing.
Ayok si Jane. May speech siya.
Ayun, hindi naman ito.
Hindi po kami close.
Birthday wish. Wala na po? Apo. So, mama, yan po. Narinig niyo na po ang message at birthday wish sa iyong families. Ano po ba ang inyong masasabi sa kanila po, ma'am?
Gusto ko muna pong mag-thank kay God kasi another year na naman and hopefully sana ngayon yung plano ni God sa akin, yung mga pangarap ko, yun na rin talaga. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga admins ko, sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Sobrang thankful ako kasi patuloy kayo sumusuport sa akin. Kaya ibibigay ko yung best ko para maging worth it lahat yun. Sa parents ko po, sa family ko, sa mga pisan ko kay Lola, na hindi nagsasawang maniwala sa akin. Patuloy lang sila sumusuport sa akin hanggang makamit ko yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay. Thank you so much po. Bakit umiyak?
Ayan, okay.
Artista.
Okay, ayan, okay na po yun, ma'am. So, ma'am, aside from that, meron din pong message ang mga admin sa inyo. So, ma'am, okay lang po ba kung isa-isahin ko pong basahin lahat para marinig niyo po ang kanilang message? So, unahin ko po, ma'am, kay Sosokay. To ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am. Wishing you more blessings, happiness, and good health. Thank you so much for spending time with us. From our movie night sa mga bardahan sa live, hanggang sa mga kwentuhan natin sa DC. I'm so grateful na mas nakilala kita and I treasure every moment. Please never lose that beautiful, genuine smile of yours. I hope all your heart's desires and dreams come true, and that this year brings you more success, wonderful surprises, and opportunities. Enjoy this new chapter of your life. Welcome to adulthood. Step, we love you and we're always here for you. Love, Soso Kai. Ayan po ang kanyang message po ma'am sa inyo. And this one po is from Nagsiselos kay CJ. Ayan. Happy 20th birthday, Faith. Truly grateful na na-meet kita. I genuinely appreciate you coming into my life. And I hope to get to know you more. I hope that you achieve all the things that you want in life. And most importantly, keep smiling and sana wag kang magbago at wag mawala yung pagkamaligalig mo. Dahil yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa'yo. P.S. Sana nagustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. From Nagsiselos kay KJ. So the next one is from Alpha. And ayun na nga, happy birthday sa'yo, Beb. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and countless blessings. Thank you for sharing your creativity, passion, and positivity with all of us. Your content continues to inspire and bring joy to so many people. May God bless you with good health, endless happiness, and even greater success in everything that you do. Keep shining, keep creating, and never stop being the amazing person you are. Your fans will always be here, cheering and clapping you. Wishing you so many more years of happiness, achievements, and unforgettable memories. God bless you always. Sana soon ay mag-meet at mag-banding na tayo. Love you always. Ayan. From Alpha. So, ito naman po ma'am is wait lang mama.
I'm another year
Wala yung songs
older.
natin mama.
I won't cry about you anymore.
Wala.
Told my friends to come over.
Madami-dami pa to ma'am.
Okay lang.
Tsaka mahahaba pa to ma'am. Meron pang mas mahaba dito ma'am. So, stay tuned ka lang ma'am. Kaya po pa ba ma'am?
Opo.
Ayan.
Yung live na yan, Michael.
Hindi naka-live po. Saan po yun naka-live?
Sa my car ma'am.
Pa-decorate siya.
Yes ma'am. Ayan.
At pala nag-live ako sa TikTok. Sana sinabihan
Pwede
niyo
ma'am,
si Jade.
i-live niyo po si ano ma'am. Continuously
Nicole,
abang
live
ano.
na.
Ay, i-live niyo po siya sa TikTok ma'am para mapanood pa na.
Kaya lang.
Go, doon na kayo mag-watch kay Ma'am Faye. Go! Para may viewers to. Wait lang ma'am. Kasi may request song po sila. Ay, wait lang. Okay, good. Yan mga pictures niya po screenshot.
Pati ba naman yun?
Kaya lang.
Di mo lang kung may tsura ko. Basta
This one po ma'am, kay Quiz, from your Paricoy, Quiz Harvey. Ayan. To Madam Faith, welcome to an official adulthood. As you embark on your new era, I'm wishing you the best of everything. May you succeed in life, achieve your goals and aspirations, and may God bless you every day with a life full of joy, good health, and more blessings. The fact that you are become so far the fact that you have come so far is a true product of your hard work. Shine bright as the star that you are. Keep entertaining those who support you, and may your dreams turn into reality. Keep your heart open, but remember to protect it. and take care of yourself. In the process, many life-challenging moments will come. Don't be afraid, as we are all here to support you. Stay humble and God-fearing, and keep that being the kind of wonderful you are, that young woman that you are. May God guide you and protect you and your family as you enter another abundant year. May God bless you, and happy birthday ulit, ma'am. Much love and support from your Arkoy Kois Harvey. Ayan. So, another one naman po is from Ma'am Janica.
Ma'am, kaya pa po. Para
Yes, yes. Happy birthday, Mom. I hope that this new year of your life is filled with happiness, good health, peace of mind, and endless blessings. Thank you for being someone I truly look up to. I'm really grateful na nagkaroon ako ng chance na makilala ka at mapalapit sa iyo. I hope all your dreams, plans, and goals come true, and that this year brings you more opportunities, success, and become beautiful memories to come. Please continue being the amazing person you are. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Just get enough rest, and always mo pong piliin yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Never lose that bright smile, because it brings you so much joy to the people around you, Mom. No matter where life takes you, I'll always be here, supporting and cheering you. I love you always and always, Mom. Love, Jenica. Ito naman po, Ma'am, is kay Ma'am Shai. To Mom, as you start another year of your life, I wish you nothing but the very best. May you be blessed with good health, endless happiness, success in everything that you work hard for, and love that surrounds you every single day. May all your dreams, big or small, slowly come true, and may you always remember how wonderful, kind, and capable you are. Happy birthday, Mom, Shai. From Shai po naman. So this one, ilalas ko na lang ito, Ma'am, kasi ang heavy-heavy. So, Ma'am, this is from Eman. Happy birthday, Madam Stephanie. Praying for more blessings, happiness, and good health for you this year. Salamat po sa lahat at mag-enjoy po kayo sa inyong kaarawan. Eman. So from Mira naman po ito, Ma'am. Happy birthday, Mom. You're no longer a teen. Welcome to adulthood. Just a simple message wishing you a very wonderful life. Stay healthy and pretty, and the cheerful single mom. Thank you for loving us even though we haven't met in person. We're here to support you even from afar. Happy birthday, Miss Stephanie Faith. We love you, from Mira. Ang supportive naman nila, Ma'am. So lucky that you have them all. So ito naman po, Ma'am, is hi, Beb Stephanie. Happy birthday. Una kitang napanood nung nasa The House of Collab ka pa. Pero napahanga mo na ako dahil napaka-talented mo. Yung gusto ko sa iyo, yung magandang boses mo. Nang tumatagal, napatigil ako sa panonood sa iyo eh. Pero nang naging active ako sa TikTok, pinapanood na kita, like live and content mo. Thank you pala sa pag-follow mo sa akin sa IG at TikTok at sa pag-heart ng mga post ko. Kinikilig ako doon. At sa story ko, thank you din sa paggawa mo sa akin bilang moderator or admin mo. Thank you din sa mga time mo para sa amin kahit na minsan inaaway mo ko sa live mo, pero love pa rin kita. Kahit hindi mo ko binati noong birthday ko, pero love pa rin kita. Ngayon. So, ito naman, kahit na may tampo talaga ako sa iyo, pero syempre, isa ka sa nagpapasaya sa akin eh, di ba? Love kita. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yun, di ako nagpupuyat, pero noong nakilala kita, ay nagagawa ko ng magpuyat ngayon. Hehehe. Pero masaya ako dahil nakilala kita at ang mga moderators mo at nagkaroon ako ng mga online friends dahil sa'yo. Salamat talaga. Ayan. So, I think wala pa akong nakalagay dyan. Baka
Pero magaling to, wala nakalagay na name.
baka naputol lang yan sa pag-print lang. So, later na. Pero ma'am, this is the last ma'am. To Madam Baby. So, from Cute Bunso Jazz to Madam Baby, happy 20th birthday, Ate Step. I honestly don't know if you'll ever realize how much you've inspired me. But I just want to thank you. Thank you for being someone who unknowingly became a reason for me to smile and keep creating just because I like editing. It's also because you're the person who inspires me to do better every single day. It's funny how someone can have such a big impact on another person's life without even knowing it. You probably don't realize it, but you've made me genuinely happy in ways you'll never imagine. Seeing you happy is enough to make my day a little brighter. Now that you're turning 20, I hope this new chapter of your life becomes the most beautiful one yet. I pray that God blesses you with good health, genuine happiness, endless opportunities, and people who will always love and appreciate you. I hope every dream that you've been quietly praying for finally finds its way to you, because you truly deserve all the good things in this world. I also want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for always finding time to notice me in my edits. Even though I know you're busy, it may seem like a small thing, but to me, it means so much everything. Every like, every reaction, and every time that you notice my edits I make for you, it genuinely makes me happy. It motivates me to keep improving because it reminds me that the effort I put into every edit isn't unnoticed. Thank you for being you, Ate Step. Thank you for inspiring me, for appreciating my edits, and for always making time for us despite your busy schedule. I'll always be the one of so many people quietly cheering you from afar. Thank you rin, ate, dahil kahit marami kang ginagawa, binibigyan mo pa rin kami ng oras. Hindi lahat ng tao kayang gawin yon. Kaya sobrang na-appreciate ko ang pagiging thoughtful at genuine mo. You make people feel so much special and seen, appreciated. And I hope you know that I'm really grateful for you, ate. Thank you for existing, for inspiring me, and for being someone I can look for. Even if I'm just one of so many people greeting you today, I hope this message somehow reaches in your heart. Happy birthday, Ate Step. Keep shining, keep smiling, and never stop being a wonderful person you are. I'll continue supporting you. Happy 20th birthday. Once again, I hope today brings you nothing but love, laughter, and memories you'll ever treasure forever. You deserve the happiest birthday. God bless you always. Happy birthday, Ate Step. Love, your cute bunso, Jazz. Last but not the least, ma'am, syempre kami din sa aming team ay binabati ka namin ng happy blessed birthday, ma'am Step. So ayan, wala kami ibang wish kundi good health lang po para sa iyo, and many more blessings at successful sa inyong ginagawa ngayon. Saka
Mas lalong
patuloy mo lang
successful si Ma'am Stephanie.
ipagpatuloy niyo lang po ang inyong ginagawa, kasi marami po kayong mga taong napapasaya at nagiging inspiration po kayo sa kanila, especially sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, Ma'am Steph. So again, happy birthday, ma'am, and may God continue to bless you and your family. Yan po. Thank you so much po, ma'am, para sa inyo dahil naging successful po ating prank today. Happy birthday, Ma'am Steph. So thank you din po sa ating mga moderators and sa mga admins na nagpabigay ng surprise ngayon. Sila, i-mention ko lang po sila lahat, ma'am. Okay lang po. Ayan po. Para syempre, masayahan din sila. Ayan po. So, ang ating surprise ngayon is galing po sa ating mga moderators na sila Harbs, KP, Eman, Alpha Bless, kay Sir Ma'am or kay Jazz, Jenica, kay Mira at kay Shai, the admin moderators of Ma'am Steph. Happy birthday, ma'am. And thank you so much for all your admins na nagbigay at nagpa-surprise sa iyo ngayon. At naging bahagi po ang micro-surprise sa inyong special day. Ayan po, ma'am, okay lang po ba picturean ka namin para po may remembrance sa inyong
All admins.
Thank you so much, admins. Thank you.
mo, ako'y mamamanata. Para lang, makasilay lang sa'yo. Para lang, makasimple lang sa'yo. Kinukonsyaba na lahat ng kabarkada. Napapansin mo bang dalas makasalubong ka? Kahit na magpigil, ako ay nanggigigil. Ano pa bang magagawa? Ikaw ay feel na feel. O hihikain yata ang tinamaang bata. Para lang sa sulyap mo, ako'y mamamanata. Para lang, makasilay lang sa'yo. Makasimple sa'yo. Ano pa bang magagawa para ako'y iyong nang mapansin? Sana makita mo ako'y para sa'yo at ika'y para sa'kin. Ano pa bang magagawa para ako'y iyong nang mapansin? Sana makita mo
Ma'am Faith, magandang araw. So, happy birthday again. So, ma'am, magpapatiktok lang po kami kung legit ba si Mike Asherman sa darating po.
Sobrang legit and actually sobrang ganda ng set-off nila. Hindi ko rin in-expect na, ayun, na actually yung mga nag-surprise sa akin from very malalayo pa. So talagang sobrang thankful ako kasi still they make a way. They made a way. They make it happen, di ba? Na, ayun, thank you, Mike, for surprise and thank you so much po sa mga nag-suporta. And yeah, for your upcoming surprises, alam niyo na.
Thank you!